Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to add link in Instagram story without 10k followers in 2021. So this video is all about you if you don't know how you can add link to your Instagram story if you don't have 10k followers. Okay, right now I have only 53 followers. Okay, so I want to add a link on my story here. So how I can add it? It is really easy and it's now really simple after the new update of Instagram. So I want to add this post to my story. So I just click here and then I will click add post to your story. Okay, so I want to add text here like link get tickets. Okay, and I want to change some new font, like this is a good font. Okay, make it large. Okay, okay, so now I want to add a link. So I'm just going above, and here is the option link. Just click here, add the link, you add the URL you want and click on done. Okay, so here we go, and now click on your story. Okay, so let's check this out that this link is working or not. Okay, okay, so now click here, you will see the option. Now click here, get link, click on visit link, and here we go. We have successfully add link in Instagram story without 10k followers. Okay, so you can also add a new fresh image, like click here, add story, just click any story you want to add, click on story, and here you can add the story you want. Then you will go above and you will see the option link. Okay, if you don't see this option right now, you have to update your Instagram from Play Store or Apple Store, and after that you will see this option. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Instagram, Snapchat or any other application, you can ask me in the comment section. Bye bye.